Apart from noun phrases and verb phrases, the other phrase types you will come across in English are adjective phrases, adverb phrases, and prepositional phrases. Adjective phrases. The head of an adjective phrase is an adjective. For example, happy. An adjective phrase can have an adverb in the pre-modifier position. For example, very happy. An adjective phrase can have a prepositional phrase in the post-modifier position, as in happy with her new car. Here's an adjective phrase with a pre-modifier and a post-modifier. Extremely pleased with himself. The adverb extremely is in the pre-modifier position. The prepositional phrase with himself is in the post-modifier position. The adjective pleased is the head. The whole structure is an adjective phrase. Adverb phrases. The head of an adverb phrase is an adverb. Some adverbs can have another adverb in the pre-modifier position, as in very beautifully or extremely fast. Prepositional phrases. Prepositional phrases are more restricted in their structure than the other phrase types we have looked at. A prepositional phrase always consists of two elements, the head, which is a preposition, and a noun phrase, which follows the head, as in the kitchen, or at a party, or from my grandmother, or to the city. Noun phrases inside prepositional phrases, inside noun phrases, inside prepositional phrases. We've just seen that a prepositional phrase is made up of preposition plus a noun phrase, as in at the back of the class. But earlier we saw that one of the possible functions of a prepositional phrase is to be a post-modifier in a noun phrase, the very handsome guy at the back of the class. In fact, the noun phrase, the back of the class, has a prepositional phrase in its post-modifier slot, the back of the class. Because of the class is a prepositional phrase, it's made up of a preposition and a noun phrase, of the class. So the full structure of the phrase at the back of the class has a noun phrase inside a prepositional phrase, inside a noun phrase, inside a prepositional phrase, as in the diagram. Let's look at how the brackets indicate the structure of the phrase. The outermost set of brackets encloses the entire prepositional phrase at the back of the class. The next set of brackets shows that inside this prepositional phrase, after the preposition at, there is a noun phrase, the back of the class. The next set shows us that the noun phrase, the back of the class, has a prepositional phrase in its post-modifier position, at the back, followed by of the class. The innermost set of brackets shows that this prepositional phrase, of the class, is made up of the preposition of and the noun phrase, the class. This is a perfectly normal and common structure in English. At the back of the class is not an unusually long phrase.